Welcome. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. In the world of natural skincare, aloe vera gel is one of the coolest kid on the block. Not only it smoothes your sunburn and manage acne, but it could hydrate your scalp too. But despite all these benefits, there's just one drawback. It has a super short shelf life. As an all-natural preservatives-free ingredient, pure aloe vera gel can be difficult to keep fresh. Once scooped from the leaf, the flesh needs to be stored immediately or used immediately. Hence, it can last only up to a week if you store in refrigerator. But if you store at room temperature, then it will spoil within 24 hours. In either scenario, you should definitely toss aloe vera for the first sign of discoloration, funky odor or mold. So first step is cutting the stem. So once you cut the stem, the next step would be removing the latex of the plant. So latex is a liquid between the pulp and the stem. So once you remove the latex, it's called aloe. It has to be discarded because the aloe is a thin layer of yellow liquid between the skin and the gel of the leaf. It contains compounds which have laxative properties. Eating too much of latex can cause serious and potential fatal side effects and is also quite harmful for the skin. Let the stem sit on the countertop for 30 minutes. Now you can see that all latex has come out of the stem. So you have to wash this plant thoroughly and then start cutting. So comes out of the plant edges of the stem using a fine knife and follow the steps as shown in the video to remove the gel. You have extracted the gel from the plant, let us see how to store it. So first method is to preserve it with vitamin E. So here is the gel that I've extracted. I'm taking 2 capsules of vitamin E and draining all the vitamin E liquid from the capsule. So after that, you're going to pulse it in the mixer jar for 1 second. Do not pulse for long. So now that I have pulsed it, I'm going to transfer it from the mixer jar. So after transferring it to an airtight container, you can store this gel and use it as and when required. Store it in the refrigerator and use up to 8 months.
Here, vitamin E is added because it acts as a natural preservative and helps in preserving our aloe vera gel.
Blend this in the blender for 1 to 2 seconds and then transfer it into an airtight container and store it for 8 months. In place of lemon juice, you can also add 1 crushed tablet of vitamin C and store it in the fridge.
Lemon juice and also vitamin C tablet acts as a natural preservative.
Third important method of preserving is with honey. So in this method, first you have to extract the gel from the plant and then blend it into a mixer jar, and then once you get the extract, transfer it into a airtight container and add equal amount of honey to it. Mix it well and you can store it in the refrigerator for 8 months. So here, honey acts as a natural preservative in increasing the shelf life. This aloe vera gel is not definitely as thick as store-bought ones, but definitely works better than the store-bought aloe vera gel. Vitamin E, vitamin C acts as a natural preservative and helps in storing the aloe vera gel fresh up to 8 months in the refrigerator.
Did you know you can also freeze the aloe vera gel? Once you extract it from the plant, add it into the ice cube tray and then put it in the freezer. Once it's frozen, transfer
Into an airtight container and store it for more than a year and use it as and when required.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.